This is 311 Montgomery Street. Is we on Montgomery? We're here at 311 California Street. We out here to do some audio. It was too quiet at this branch, so we added some audio. Tri-County Bank, come in, take a walk with us.
Another day in digital dreams, you know. See, he found my white tape. Look it. Told you.
See that? It's like working with my brother or something. Everything's his. Every tool.
Come on, man.
Hey, carnal. That tape, he just automatically thought it was his, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know it's mine.
So we just pulled it all at once for this first one. Yep, there and there. To that speaker and then out of that speaker back over here.
Get to make a hole. Bam.
That wouldn't work.
These two speakers go there, right?
Just putting these rack screws in so we can put the shelf in and get the amp in here. I had a guy sit next to me and was like, oh yeah, I seen you from the videos, man. He was like, cool. He was like, you're the star.
That's how it's got to jump. That's how the speakers work, you know what I'm saying? It's like
yeah, because that's the main one and then it goes over there. Yeah.
Exactly, so ooh, like shit. I mean.
Ooh.
That's all cleaned out there, you know, that's how we do clean work here at Digital Dreams.
Hey, buddy.
I'm gonna leave it like this until he plays music, just to make sure they are on the right side.
So here is the curved media wall here. We added sound to this lobby here. Let me walk you around here. Yeah, this way. Follow my dude. We got speakers we added here in the hallway. When you come in here, this is the back section of the LED wall. We added audio over there just so they could hear it in the lobby. The controls are here. You got lobby and you got the hallway speakers right here. These are the volume controls. That's another day on the job.
We did three speakers. Shit, we did 3 speakers.
Let it flow, man. Let it flow, man. Be your best.
Speakers,
Act like you're talking to him, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, cut that. Edit that out. Time out.
Everything went smooth. Everything's rocking. You know,
butter.
The Digital Dreams way.
Pop his collar one time, man. Pop that shit.
I don't even.